I got my Lux Bungalow clock in today, and it wasn't working. And you go to wind it up, and the spring kept coming unwound. There's nothing wrong with the spring itself. It is in good condition. But this is the click on the spring. When this is something like a cuckoo clock, but when these brass plates turn, and I'm going to see if I can get them to turn. The tabs go into the holes, and there's a bunch of these little holes on the back. But the problem is, it'll turn the other way also. If I can get it to turn. It turns the other way also. So that's why when you wind up the clock, the spring was releasing, because these tabs are going back out of the holes. So I think what I'm going to do is bend these tabs so it stays in the hole, so it doesn't go back the other way. I'm going to see if I can do that now. I bent two. Let's see if I can do one on camera. I got a screwdriver underneath the plate, taking a little pair of pliers, bending the tab down. So now, when I rotate it, hopefully it rotates, but it don't rotate the other way, which it doesn't. So it can rotate to wind, but it doesn't rotate the other way. So I think I got it fixed. I'll put it back together, and it should wind up. I hope y'all like this video. Do another video when I got it back together. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. But this system right here is what is considered the click to catch the spring so it doesn't release. And these little tabs catch in every one of these holes as you wind the clock up, but the tabs were bent from it being in use. You know, the clock was made in the 1920s, and so I just put a screwdriver underneath the plate and took a pair of pliers and bent the tab down, so now it goes into the hole, and it stays in that hole on the unwind, so it can't continue to unwind, which it was doing. I hope y'all like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.